你没事吧？
In Chinese, 你没事吧? It means, are you okay? Here, we need to pay attention to the word 是. 是 is a very flexible word in Chinese. It has several meanings. It can mean thing, matter, business, accident, trouble, job, and many other meanings. So this is a very flexible and very useful word. In this sentence, 是 means trouble, 没 means no. So here means, do you have any trouble? Are you okay? Let's see how she answered it.
我没事。
Oh, she said, 我没事. I'm fine. Maybe they are not close friends, so she doesn't want to talk about it. Here, 没事 means no trouble. I'm fine. Did you get it? 你没事吧? Are you okay? 我没事. I'm fine. It's easy and it's useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.